the comfort, longevity, you name it. Overall impression for the Saddlemen ROAD sofa with backrest is a huge... Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Fly and Ride here. In today's video, I'm going to give you my first impressions of this Saddlemen ROAD sofa with the backrest. If you didn't see it, I'm going to leave the link up here. A bunch of the crew spent some time here last weekend, and John and of course Saddlemen were nice enough to send this seat so I can put it to the test and give you my first impressions. I have not ridden on it yet with the backrest. In this video, I'm going to take it out for the first time and give you what I think. It'll be a very, very quick video, just a short first impressions video for anyone that's considering, you know, purchasing or getting something like this to see how this backrest feels. And if you've seen my videos before in the channel, you know I've always ridden Saddlemen in all of my my bikes. I have an STC, I have a ROAD sofa without the backrest, and now, again, thanks to John and Saddlemen, I have this ROAD sofa with the backrest. Of course, it matches my tour pack here in the back. I think it looks absolutely beautiful, but let's see how it feels. Well, I can tell you, just as soon as you sit down, you feel that instant support on your back, which feels really, really nice. And what I like about it, the back support is not, at least for me, and I'm 5'10" as an example, it's not in my lower back, which I typically, you know, have some issues with my lower back. I don't like anything touching my lower back when I'm riding. This is just above that point, and it feels very comfortable just here, starting the bike and sitting. So let's take it out for a quick spin. I don't know if you can tell, but everything looks foggy, and it's because it's so humid out. It's been raining off and on most of the day here today. As a matter of fact, it's going to rain a little bit later on this afternoon, and it's why I wanted to come out here and give you this quick video before this crappy weather hits us. So, literally, we're doing about 50 miles an hour right now. I hit that throttle, it just gives you instant support on your back. And look, in full transparency, I did not think I was really going to enjoy or like this backrest, but man, in these very quick first impressions, it feels great. Of course, you know, I've had a ROAD sofa before, so suffice to say, it's one of the most comfortable seats I've ever felt on a Harley bagger. If anybody has them, you know, feel free to leave it down in the comments below what you think. As you put more miles on it, it gets even better. But frankly, for me, I feel instant comfort right out of the gate. And this is literally the first time I put my butt on this seat, you know, outside of testing it out when I first got the seat from John last week. Typically, I would be holding on much tighter to my handlebars because there's, you know, the other seats have some back support, but not like this. It just keeps you in the right riding position is the best way that I can give you these first impressions. It's not obtrusive. It doesn't feel uncomfortable. It feels very comfortable. It feels natural. It kind of aligns to the seating position here. Super, look, right now I am leaning back, super relaxed. It feels sturdy. So look, I am obviously going to put a lot more miles on this seat and come back and give you my full review here But I always think first impressions are really important. By the way, that goes for anything, not just trying out new products. And I got to tell you, right now, it's a big thumbs up for Saddlemen. And this backrest option on the ROAD sofa. And by the way, you know, obviously, this was given to me at no cost. As always, full transparency here. But as I shared with you, way before this, I had my own ROAD sofa, my own Saddlemen SDCs. I paid for that at full cost out of my pocket. And I just can't say enough about these seats. The quality, the look, the feel, the comfort, longevity, you name it. It has it all. So, yes, I'm giving you this review on this one that was given to me. But frankly, the only thing I'm giving you a review on here is really the backrest option of it, because I've had this seat for a long time and I love it. It's one of the best, you know, seats for these baggers. Let's give it some gas here and see how well it handles. Heck yeah! It just gives us this sort of added level of comfort, support, and I would say confidence, because you're not holding on to dear life in these handlebars like I typically am when I punch it like that without the backrest. I don't know if you can tell, but these storm clouds are approaching. It's why I'm doing a shorter video today, and really this is really a first impression video, so a lot more miles to put on this seat. So I wanted to punch it there and give it a go. The rain's starting to come down, so I'm gonna wrap this video up here real quick before this rain comes down upon us. And again, overall impression for the Saddlemen ROAD sofa with backrest is a huge thumbs up for me. Highly recommended based on this initial feel. A lot more miles to put on it. Stay tuned. I'll give you a full 1,000 to 3,000 mile review on what I think about this seat in the coming months. If you like this kind of content, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content like this one. Thanks for watching.